What's the deal, YouTube? All right, in this video, we're gonna go over the differences between spot trading and binary options. All right. So spot trading, you don't know what spot trading is, click the link that should be popping up in this video. And basically, spot trading is a traditional method of trading where the trader buys or sells at a market price and sells or buys at a higher or lower price for profit and can hold as long as they want. Binary options is a form of trading based on a yes or no proposition. So a trader predicts whether the price will rise or fall in a specified time frame. If the trader is correct, they win the payout percentage. If they're wrong, they lose the trade and the investment that they put on that trade. So what are the pros and cons of spot trading? So the pros of spot trading, you got full control over your position. You can get out when you want. You know what I'm saying? So when you get in, there's no time limit on how long you want to stay in that trade. You can get in and get out as fast as you want, or hold it as long as you want. You also have the potential for unlimited profits. So with spot trading, you make money by the pip. So as the market is ticking, if it's ticking in your direction, you are making profits, and it can tick as much as it wants. So you have unlimited profits. Another pro to spot trading is the opportunity for bigger risk to reward. So say I could risk 5 pips to make 30 pips, 10 pips to make 50 pips. So basically you're risking less to make more. So if I put up $1, I can make potentially $5, $3. Okay. And you could trade many different assets. And the other thing about it, I don't know if it's really a pro or a con, but you must gain deep understanding. I got it on the pro side because the more understanding that you got of trading, period, the better you're going to be. So I got that on the pro side. I didn't make that a con because gaining a deep understanding and understanding that you need to gain more understanding of trading is going to only benefit you. All right. So the cons. The cons of spot trading is you can deal with slippage. So what is slippage? Slippage is basically times when orders won't get filled at a price you want if it's too much volatility. So say you wanted to get filled at 103.50. Say you had a stop loss there, right? And the market is news. It's news today. The news is at 8:30 and the market just spikes in 1 second and goes straight past your stop loss. That's slippage. So you will get filled at the market price that the market gives you. So there is risk there. If it goes past your stop loss, you're gonna lose more than what you initially wanted to lose. Another con is large losses on your trade if it's not managed properly. So if you don't have stop losses and you don't have the correct lot sizes that work for your account size, then you have the potential to lose a lot of money because you're not properly managing that position. So binary options. What are the pros and cons of this? Okay, so the pros of the binary options is you know how much you're going to win and lose in advance. So when you place a trade in binary options, you're not going to lose more than what you put up in that investment. You don't have to deal with slippage on that. Another pro is it's simple and easier to understand and execute. When you're on the binary options platform, it's pretty much a simple interface. With spot trading, you have MetaTrader and things like that. It's a bit of a learning curve and stuff that you have to understand before you could just go in there and place trades. Binary options, they pretty much have the button that you could press and you know how much you'll win or lose. The other pros are no stop losses and no slippage. So say the market spikes and then comes all the way back and goes in the other direction. So you won't get stopped out and you can still continue to be in a trade and potentially win a trade that you would probably have lost on spot trading. Like say you would have got stopped out spot trading and the market continues to go in your direction. There's no stop loss in binary options. It can go for that stop hunt and still go in your direction. You'll still make money. The cons of binary options is limit profit potential. So a lot of the binary option platforms don't offer more than a 1-to-1. You most of the time you get less than a 1-to-1. So you have to have a higher win percentage. So that's one of the cons of binary options is the low risk to reward on each trade. And it's a fixed return regardless of how price moves. So spot trading, you can make money by the pip, but on binary options, however much it says that your payout is going to be, you can't make no more than that. No matter if the market spikes and goes 100 pips, 1,000 pips in your direction, it doesn't matter. You're only going to make how much your investment payout is. You also have no control over the position once you enter it. So when you enter that position, you're there. That's your entry. You can't change it or you can't get out. That's binary options for a lot of the overseas brokers. If you're going with Nadex, it's a little bit different because they do allow you to get out your position when you want. You can scalp out of positions. So this doesn't pertain to Nadex. This pertains to stuff like pocket option like that, on where you can't get out once you enter. But Nadex, you can still get out even when you get in. And with Nadex, you can make a little bit more if you take an out of the money contract where you can maybe risk 10 to make 90 if the market pushes into your favor. But yeah, that's a little bit different. Two different platforms, binary option, pocket option and Nadex, they have different rules. So what you want to do is pick a trading method that is suitable to your lifestyle and your personality, and figure out which pros and cons work for you. And yeah, I also forgot one more pro on the binary options. You don't have to wait for your trade. So in spot trading, you gotta wait for that market to move in your favor a certain amount of pips for you to make the money that you're trying to make. Well, with binary options, it only has to be one pip, one tick above or below where you're saying it, where you're entering it, and you'll make money. You don't have to wait all day. You can make money in a minute and still get your basically a 1-to-1. And that's all I got for this video, man. Catch y'all on the next one.